Good afternoon, students. So in today's class, I will be explaining, I am taking quantitative techniques 1. Okay. So in today's class, what we will do is, we will just talk about what is your arithmetic mean, the different types of calculating your arithmetic mean. Okay. So basically, arithmetic mean is calculating your average. You have two methods of calculating your arithmetic mean. The first method is long method. Your second method will be shortcut method. Under your long method, you have individual series. You have discrete series, and the last one is continuous series. Okay. So coming under your shortcut method, your first method is deviation method. And the second method will be step deviation method. Now please do remember, what is individual series? Please remember, when they give you a problem, they will say that just calculate arithmetic mean. So what you have to do is, you have to find out whether you are calculating individual series or a discrete series or a continuous series. Okay. So basically in the individual series, you will just be given an information of only one value, that is x values. So only when x values are given, you will calculate your individual series. Coming to discrete series, your x values will be given along with your frequency. Okay. When two of the information are given, that is your discrete series, that is x values and your frequency table. Coming to your continuous series, you will be given the same thing, which is x values and frequency. But now you have a question, ma'am, discrete series and continuous series are still the same. Yes, but in x values, they will be giving you the class intervals in the form of class intervals. When they are given you in the form of class intervals, you have to find out a whole number. How will you find out it? By taking a midpoint. That is how you find out your x values. Okay. So in coming to your deviation method and step deviation method again, they will state that using shortcut method, you have to calculate your deviation method and step deviation method. When we are calculating a problem, you will get to know it. Yes? Okay. Okay, now coming to your individual series, the formula for individual series is, so arithmetic mean is derived or it is known as x bar. Okay, it is denoted by x bar. So arithmetic mean is equal to the total of x divided by small letter n. This is the formula. I am repeating it again and again. That's because you have to by heart those formula. You have to remember it. Okay. So what is x bar? The total. What is a sigma? So sigma is nothing but the total of that particular x is called as sigma. Okay. So sigma is denoted as the total. Please remember the total is being denoted by sigma. So you will take the total of x divided by n. What is n? The number of items, that is n. Okay, coming to your discrete series. Discrete series, that is x bar is equal to sigma fx divided by capital letter N. Now what is the difference between a small letter n and a capital letter N. Small letter n means it is number of items, wherein capital letter N means it is the total of the frequency. Please remember, it is the total of the frequency table. What is the total of f into x? What you will do is, when the x values are given and the f values are given, what you will do is you will just multiply those two things and take the total of your fx column and you will divide it by the total of the frequency. So that is your discrete series. Coming to the continuous series. So continuous series, the formula is sigma fx divided by capital letter N, which is the same formula for your discrete series. Okay. So again, the question, the x values will be given in your class intervals. For example, it is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. If your frequency is 1, 5, 7, 2. If this is your frequency, what you will do is, first thing you will find out what is x. That is the whole number. Okay. That's the reason you will take a midpoint. How will you calculate a midpoint? You will take the first number, which is 0. You will add it to the second number, which is 10. That is 0 plus 10. It is 10. Divided by how many numbers you have added? 2 numbers. That is 0 plus 10 divided by 2, which gives you 5. 10 plus 20 divided by 2 numbers. So 10 plus 20 divided by 2 gives you 15. The same thing it goes on. 20 plus 30 divided by 2 is 25. 30 plus 40 divided by 2 is 35. Okay. This is your midpoint. Then what you will do? You will calculate f into x. That is 1 into 5 gives you 5. 5 into 50 gives you 75. 7 into 25 gives you 225. 35 into 2 gives you 70. So when you take the total of this, that particular total is being denoted by sigma fx by the total of n. What is n? The total of frequency. That is 6, 7, 8, 15. So when you take the total of this, that is 300, 375. So 375 divided by 15, you will find out what is the answer. That comes under your continuous series. Now, yes. So now it is shortcut method. I am teaching you a shortcut method. Under shortcut method, you have deviation method. Okay, deviation method. So deviation method formula is x bar is equal to a sigma u divided by small letter n. Okay. So in this case, I will just solve a problem. In this particular case, it is, for example, your x values is given. It is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. If this is your question, they will tell you using deviation method, calculate arithmetic mean. Okay, so what you will do is, you will write it in a straight line, standing line. I will just use this side. Yeah. So x is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. According to the formula, what is a? It minus n. N is number of items. Okay. So, what is x? You already got to know. What is your assumed mean? You will calculate. So, in this particular problem, what I will do? I will take 10 as assumed mean. You can take any number. You can take 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 or 10. Any number you can take. But still the final answer will be the same thing. Okay. So, in this particular problem, I will be taking 10. Okay. So, now what is u? X minus a. What is a now? I told you I am taking 10 as my assumed mean. So it is 2 minus 10, 4 minus 10, 6 minus 10, 8 minus 10, 10 minus 10. So under 2 minus 10 it gives you minus 8, minus 6, minus 4, minus 2 and 0. So what is the total of it? It is 8, 10, 20. It is minus 20. So coming back to your formula, x bar is equal to, what is a? 10 is a plus sigma u is nothing but the total of u column, which is minus 20 divided by what is n? The number of items, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 items. So 5 ones are 5 fours are 20. That is 10 plus minus 4 plus into minus gives you minus. So 10 minus 4 gives you 6. So your final answer is 6. So this is under your deviation method. So hope you all understood what is deviation method. So the last method we'll discuss, that is your step deviation method. Yeah. I want you to, all these things I already explained. So what you will do is, it is just a revision class of it. But step deviation method, I will explain it till day. So today I will be explaining what is step deviation method. Yeah. Okay. Now coming to your step deviation method, the formula is the step deviation method. The formula is x bar, which is equal to a plus c sigma f u divided by capital letter N. This is your formula. Now again, what is a? Assumed mean. What is f? Frequency. What is u? Now please remember u is equal to x minus a, which is your assumed mean. What is n? The total of frequency. Ma'am, what is the C? C is nothing but it is the difference between two mid values. It is the difference. It is the difference between two mid values. Mid values. Okay. So this is your formula. Okay. Now coming to your problem. Please take it down. It is the following is the frequency. I will send you a copy of it. You can calculate it later, but let me explain it. Okay. Okay. Now coming to the question, class intervals are given. That is 80 to 100, 100 to 120. 120 to 140, 140 to 160, 160 to 180. If this is your question, and the frequencies they've given you 8, 22, 26, 14 and 10. This is the question. You have to calculate it So what you will do is, the first thing you will take midpoint. The first thing is you will take the midpoints. Okay. Now, what is midpoints? How will you take it? Again, I told you it is 80 plus 100 divided by 2, which gives you 90. Here it is 110, 130, 150 and 170. Okay, this is your midpoint. So what is the next thing? You will calculate what is u. Yes. Now u is equal to x minus a, okay, divided by c. This is the difference. In deviation method, your u was equal to x minus a. But in step deviation method, u is equal to x minus a divided by c. That is the only thing which is extra here. Okay. Now, what is a? You can take any number from your x. This is your x. Any number you can take. In this particular problem, I will take 150 as your assumed mean. So what you will do here is, it is 90 minus 150 divided by c. What is c? The difference between two midpoints. That is 90 minus 110 gives you 20. Okay. So 90 minus 150 is equal to 60. So 60 divided by 20 gives you 3. Here it is 110 minus 150 divided by 20. Again it is 40 divided by 20 gives you 2. Sorry, it is minus 3 minus 2. Here it is 130 minus 150 divided by 20. So which is equal to minus 20 divided by 20 gives you minus 1. Here it is 0. Here 170 minus 150 divided by 20. Here 20 divided by 20 which gives you 1. So now you have found out what is u. So what is the thing you will do is, you have to find out what is fu. Okay, that is f into u. 8 3s are, it is here, it is minus. Okay, please do remember it. Yeah. Okay. Now what is 8 3s are? 24. It is minus 24. 22 2 that is minus 44. 26 1 that is minus 26. 14 0 that is 0. 10 1 that is 10. So tell me the total. It will come around 84. Okay, 84 is the total. It is minus 84. Okay. So once you are up to the calculation, you will use your formula. X bar is equal to A plus C into sigma FU divided by capital letter N. What is A? Assumed mean, which is 150, plus C means it is the difference between two midpoints, which is 20, into what is the total? Minus 84 divided by N. N means the total of frequency, which is 80. So when you calculate, the final answer will come up to rupees 129. This is the final answer. That is, what you will do is 20 into minus 84, you will have 150 plus minus 1640 divided by 80. Okay. That is 16, you will have 21. That is 150 plus minus 21. That is plus into minus becomes minus. So 150 minus 21 gives you 129 as your answer. So this is how we calculate what is step deviation method. Okay students, so you all understood. I believe that you all understood what is arithmetic mean. So in arithmetic mean you studied two different types. One is long method and another one is short method. Under long method, you studied individual series, discrete series and continuous series. Coming to your second shortcut method, you studied what is deviation method and step deviation method. So I will give you one more problem as your homework. Please do calculate and send me those answers. And what I will do is I will give you two problems as your homework. You have to calculate those things also and let me know what is the answer. Okay? Students, hope you all understood. Have a great day. Bye.